Bryan Mitchell here for Lighting Warehouse. There's more than one way to wire your landscape lighting. We'll look at a few. Let's light your way. When it comes to planning out your landscape lighting design, one of the many considerations is how to route your wires. And some of your decision will depend on the layout of your landscape in general and what features you wish to highlight with fixtures. The reason it's important to figure out the best way to run the wire has to do with potential voltage drop. While LED bulbs are very efficient and are able to run with a wide range of power consumption, if they're operated with less than optimal voltage, it can shorten the lifespan of the bulb. So I'll go over a few different methods of running wires, and then it'll be up to you to decide which one works best for you. I'll start with the daisy chain method. This will have one line go out to a number of fixtures all connecting with one another in succession. The end of the cable is capped off with the last fixture, and there are some instances where this method might work best, such as hard to reach places. But it does have some risks. There will be many connection points, and this has the potential for failure. Also, there's a greater chance of voltage drop since the power has to run through each fixture on the way to the next. The T method will have a main line coming from the transformer. It then splits off in one direction to some fixtures and another direction to other fixtures. And this can help reduce the voltage drop since the power comes from the middle instead of the end. However, as the run on either end of the split extends, dwindling power can become an issue, just like with the daisy chain method. The loop method has the end of the run coming back around to the transformer or from the last fixture. And this will provide uniform power to the first and last fixture. It's very important in this method that the polarity is maintained, so make sure that the side of the wire with the writing always connects to another side with writing. Downsides include multiple connections, which we discussed earlier, can open up itself for failures. The middle fixtures can also suffer from voltage drops because the fixture closest to the transformer gets the most power. And this method can also require a lot of wire because it has to reach back from the transformer to the end of the hub. With the hub method, a line comes off of the transformer and goes into a hub. Each fixture connects in this hub. This can work really well if all the fixtures can reach the hub without needing an added wire to extend. For instance, if the hub is located within a garden bed. The hub method has advantages over most as it can limit the number of connections buried directly in the ground and it can save on wire. You may even end up using some combination of these methods, but always keep in mind how the voltage might be affected by the run of the fixtures. I hope this has been informative. Lighting Warehouse has the fixtures, lamps, and other accessories to make your landscape lighting dreams come true. Buy it all today on lightingwarehouse.com. Chat with our exceptional customer service team for help with your landscape lighting essentials. You can find all that and more on lightingwarehouse.com, helping to light your way. Follow us on social media and visit our website for products and get more information covering landscape lighting from A to Z.